Great evening, everybody. So I almost let the day slip by, but you know what? I'm holding myself accountable. I hope you're holding yourself accountable to doing some type of exercise every day. I would really suggest at least 30 minutes. But I'm just coming on here and I'm doing some sit-ups with you guys. Maybe we'll get into some other exercises. I don't know. Let me know what you want to do. Let me know if this is motivating you at all. So we're going to go ahead and do our 100 sit-ups for the evening. If you're catching this in the morning, because I know I'm a night owl and not everybody is, then make sure you do it in the morning. And then when this is all over with, I definitely want to tell you guys some exciting news that is happening on tomorrow. All right, so let's get to it. We are going to do 100 sit-ups. We're going to come up straight. Then we're going to cross over. We're going to cross over. We're going to do our bicycles. Okay. And then we're going to keep our knees up and do 20. So we're going to do 20 increments. All right. We're going to do increments of 20. Said that a little backwards. But here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, guys, when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you focus your mind on the muscles that you want to develop, okay? So in everything that we do, it's always mind over matter. Mind over matter, mind over matter, okay? So now that I've given you that nice little break, we're going to take our right elbow and we're going to bring it up to our left knee, all right? You guys ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh. Now for my advanced people, you guys can go right on in to your next set, okay? You don't have to do these pauses. I'm doing these pauses for people who are maybe intermediate and you just need a small rest. So now we're going to switch sides. We're going to take our left elbow and go up to our right knee. And if anybody knows Kira on here, let her know I'm looking for her video. Where is her 100 sit-up video? Where is your video? Y'all need to post some videos too. Okay, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There we go. Take a breath, stretch your muscles out. Remember, you're breathing as we're doing this, and you are focusing your mind on your abs, the muscles that you want to develop. Now we are going to do bicycles, so legs up, keep them at a 90-degree angle. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, guys, that is 80. So we have one more set to go. One more set to go. Hey, one more set to go. One more set to go. Okay, so this one we're going to keep our legs up. And we are just going to come up, okay? Whew, and you can put your hands behind your head to support. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so that was 100 sit-ups. Now, again, if you guys need to stretch those muscles, you'll probably feel that in the morning, okay? But if you need to stretch, you can just lay down, put your arms out, and feel the stretch, deep breathing. or you can roll over on your stomach like this and stretch up, okay? So now, the news. Here is the news, guys. Tomorrow starts the Spring Back Challenge. Spring Back Challenge. Okay. So essentially, what that means is that you are going to get a discounted kit. So you are going to get a kit that has NutriBurst, Resolution Drops. NutriBurst is your liquid mineral and vitamin that detoxes your body and strengthens your body, boosts the immune system. You're going to get the Resolution Drops that helps to burn calories quickly, burn that belly fat, and also be able to help cut the cravings, those sugar cravings, and suppress the appetite, okay? Plus, you are going to get the raspberry lemonade tea. That is our broad spectrum hemp tea. Tastes delicious, but it helps with better weight loss, better weight management, better sleep, better energy, better skin, better mood, better muscle preservation, helps with muscle recovery, helps you not to be as fatigued throughout the day. And you're also going to get the regular instant tea. And again, that is going to help to detox you. It's going to help you to sleep better, mental clarity, better mood. And of course, it's both of those teas are going to help to detox your colon, your liver, and your kidneys. Okay. So this kit is normally at a higher price, but it is discounted. Okay, you can grab your kit April 9th through the 13th. And then the actual challenge is going to begin April 20th through May 20th. So you want to get back with the person who invited you to this group and make sure that you get your kit ordered on tomorrow, because we don't want it to be out of stock and run out. Okay, so make sure you get your kit first, and you'll have it in enough time to start the challenge so that you can win some money. So the grand prizes for this, first of all, we're giving away a total of 10,000, okay? And so the top 5 people are going to be able to win $1,000 apiece. So the top 5 people who lose the most weight. This is really based on weight loss challenge, okay? So the top 5 people who lose the most weight get $1,000 apiece. And then there is going to be a random drawing where just any 5 people who participated in the challenge at all is going to be able to win $1,000 apiece. So that is $10,000 in total, guys, just for you to do your health goals, right? So I think that is pretty awesome and amazing. Plus, you get the deep discount, guys. So I'm feeling it. I hope you're feeling it. I hope you're ready to grab your kits. It is about to be on and popping. All right. So it's available tomorrow. Your kits are available tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, and so that would be 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you have any questions, get back with the person who invited you to the group, and they are going to hook you up. They're going to get you their link so that you can order, or they're going to place the order for you. But however it happens, we're going to make sure that it happens, okay? So let's get ready to spring back. Hey, get those bodies in check. Hey, for the summertime. Bye.